For today's eye look, I'm going to go in with a Celestial Thunder from Dominique Cosmetics. I got this in my November BoxyCharm. I love it. Starting off with this shade right here called Storm Dust, and I'm using a Sigma E55 shader brush, and I'm just really packing it on to the outer corner and into the crease and bringing it into the inner part of the eye as well. I did use a P. Louise eyeshadow base for this. Overall, I think this palette is amazing. The colors are beautiful and unique, and there wasn't a ton of fallout, and I love how pigmented it is. So yes, I am going to go in with Lunar Eclipse next and just kind of blend this out so I don't have that harsh line into the crease. And I'm just going to work in very small circular motions because I don't want it to go all the way up into the brow bone, but just that nice faded out, smoked out look. Also, as I'm blending, I'm just working with what I have, what's left over on the brush. Like, I didn't pick up any more eyeshadow or anything, so I'm just really focusing on blending and, like I said, fading that out into the crease. Next, I'm going to use this color right here, and I did spray my brush with the MAC Fix Plus just to give me that foil finish, and it is a really pretty iridescent. It has like purples and oranges and golds all at the same time, some pinks. So I thought this was a really fun color that I don't have in any of my other palettes. So like I said, I'm just applying this all over the lid, and then I am going to go on top with just my ring finger right here. I just grabbed a little bit more of that same shade, and I just really want it to be vibrant and really pack it on. So sometimes it's different using your brush and then your ring finger. I don't know, it's just a different color payoff, but it works. So I'm going to use the Too Faced glitter liner and just kind of using small strokes. I'm also going to blend that out with my ring finger, and then it did kind of smear a little bit or take off the shadow, so I just went back on top with Fireball and applied a little bit more on top of the glitter, and it looks fine. For lashes, I'm going to use my favorite Cocoa lashes. These are in the style Demi G, and of course apply some mascara first and apply these bad boys on. I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line as well with the same shades that I used in the crease, and then apply mascara on the lower lashes as well. So I'm just going to dust off any fallout that I might have had, as well as blend out the setting powder that I had under my eyes. Finishing off with the face, I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. This is in the shade Caramel. For blush, I have been obsessed with this one. This is from Buxom Cosmetics in the shade Wanderlust. It smells so good, and it's a really pretty, like, subtle shade for like the winter. I don't know, it works with my skin tone. I love it. I'm going to apply some mascara on the lower lashes. For highlight, I'm going to go in with the oldie but a goodie. It is a Master Chrome highlight from Maybelline. It's Molten Gold, I believe it's the shade. It's really pretty. I love the formula. For lips, I'm finishing off with a NYX Cosmetics lip pencil, and then I'm going to use the Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick in the shade Flirty. Also got it in my BoxyCharm. If you guys don't have BoxyCharm, you should. It's only $21 a month, and you get awesome things in your packages. Anyways, topping it off with a lip gloss, also from Dose of Colors. And that completes this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.